Dang, that's like 3D.
All right, I'm just going to say it. These are probably the coolest puddle lights I've seen for any car, right? They've got like this 3D look. You've already seen it. I'm going to show it to you some more. So let me just tell you, Tesstudio has these lights. Use my discount code TESLAMARK. It always saves you the most amount of money, works in all the best places. If you want the coolest puddle lights, just get these, all right? I haven't seen anything cooler. I've had a few different puddle lights before, which have been nice. There's a lot of nice puddle lights out there, but these suckers are cool, right? They're just plain cool. They're really easy to put in. I do this super quick unboxing, look at them a little bit closer. Right after the unboxing, I show you a quick tip. You might need to adjust the Tesla lettering on there. Not sure. I show you how to do that. Show you how to do the install. Anyway, check it out.
Check that out. Dang, that's like 3D. All right, guys, so get the coolest puddle light I've ever seen from Tesstudio. All the links are below. Do not forget the discount code TESLAMARK. It will save you the most amount of money and works in all the best places. All right, cannot wait to try these out because these, based on what they showed me, should look really, really cool. All right, let's get them on the car. Okay, so I want to show you something here. So these turn. The Tesla, not Tesla logo, the words Tesla were kind of like at a weird angle compared to the other logo and other designs. So I turned it a little bit, and I can't remember which one of these it was, but it's not difficult, you know, once it's under the car and lit up, you can easily get something like, you know, fingernail or a little screwdriver, and yeah, these easily turn to adjust that. So that is pretty cool. I thought it was like off, and I wasn't going to be able to do anything about it, so I did.
All right, just get a little something to pry this open. You know, you want to try not to scratch this, but let's be honest, it's underneath here. So I'm going to try and push this tab down here. Okay. Now the new one just plugs in here. Tuck these wires in there. You don't want to like crump them on the sides. And then just push that guy back in there. And that is it.